what kind of fears, uncertainties, and doubts do you suffer from, Eamon?
Um, Similar to everybody else, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing enough? You put a post up this week about what is your biggest weakness within Amazon? And I turned around to Ashley and I was like, hey, what is my biggest weakness in Ashley in Amazon? I don't really know. And she's like, comparison. You're always looking at people that are doing more than you and thinking you're not doing enough. Like all your numbers you've got dialed in, everything you're doing, you've dialed in. Like you're doing great, but enough is never enough for you. You're always looking at somebody bigger going, why am I not doing that?
I would say I would echo that. It's kind of a combination of FOMO, fear of missing out. And yeah, one of the things that I need to focus on, I would say, learning how to say no to things. Because, like, yes to something, you're basically saying no to something else. So I hate to miss opportunities. Yeah, that's kind of my thing that would keep me kind of up at night. Everything else you can kind of figure out.